Tom Gunner and nephew, y'all. My bad. I'll let y'all ain't gonna miss the next race. Don't worry about it. Man, what my other? Okay, I'm glad I got my 7 stick. I had to get my 7 stick, y'all. Not in that Mama Luna. I done locked the doors now, y'all. Okay. Yeah. I see you with them AFRs on there. You know something. Okay. Full pass tonight?
Motor.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we ain't tried to juice yet. So,
okay.
Yeah, we about to find out.
Okay.
Next weekend, we're going to be juicing this bitch.
Okay, next week they juicing this bitch, y'all. Okay, all low. We going to be all low. We going all low, okay? All low. All low. Troy built wide for them one time. Yeah, y'all, he brought that money call out here, y'all. I'm finna get him. Oh, I gotta hurry up. Damn, that's a long ass run. I don't feel like running. I don't feel like running. I'm glad I got my damn,
On the head, you gonna stop these fools on these scooters.
Hey. See. Who that, Jason? What's up with it, Jason? Okay. They did they glue burn out. We might be able to have enough time, y'all. You're missing Yoshi. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Gosh darn it. Alright, I'll put a little jog in it. Ah, see? Drop my keys. Patience, they said. Patience. As soon as I lost patience, drop my keys. Gonna cost me. He gotta spool that turbo all the way up anyway. Oh, okay. We in town, y'all. Hold on, let me. Excuse me. Mucho power. Look out, look out. Mucho power. Hey, y'all, we got Limpy in the building, y'all. I'm finna see where if he got his betting game on, y'all. I'm finna see if he know which car gonna win like Funky Town. I'm gonna see if he got any skill. He been looking at all these cars, king of street racing. He don't know the drivers though. These some new drivers, y'all. He been around the country. Yeah, new track, raggedy. Somebody might slide, so he don't know. I might be able to I might be able to win, y'all. I might be able to win a bet off this. He ain't gonna pick every car right. You think Limpy, because he the king of the track, the king of the streets, he know which car to pick? We got Forever Grudge in here, y'all.
He got a good idea.
He got a good idea?
Yeah.
I gotta bet him to see if he really knows something.
But you know a lot of the cars out here, though.
Yeah.
You got a way better advantage.
Yeah. 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 We gotta see if Limpy got any shout-outs. Limpy. I'm gonna bet everywhere Funky Town bet. And have it really Limpy against Funky Town.
Just throw straight up range.
What?
My wife said his calves are thick.
Oh, him?
She likes thick calves, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
name his car.
Oh yeah. Hey, don't you go nowhere now.
I know. My wife said earlier for 10K, the first 10K dono gets to name our baby.
Golly, 10,000. My shit ain't. They still in the 7-0?
Yeah.
Okay.
They had 18 cars for 7.0. They got 13 cars for daily driver.
Yeah.
8 cars for anything on 28s.
How many?
8.
8,
That's a
okay.
good number tonight, really.
Yeah.
Like a good turnout.
Okay, we got Michael Poland in the building, guys. Attention in the pits. He didn't have much to say.
Attention in the pits, man.
Huh?
That's the album cover.
Yeah.
Attention in the pits.
Yeah.
You know it is.
Good one. That's a good.
But afterwards, a little bit hype, you know what I mean? Like the hype man, the stoner white hype dude. Is that,
Stoner,
they
yeah.
have that in a rap video?
Stoner, a stoner white hype dude.
Yeah. Is it like a random white dude? Hell yeah. Wait.
I'm trying to see. Is it that? I don't know. Something ain't right.
Something wasn't right.
They wrong for
They
that.
caught me.
They fucked me up.
Omar showed me a video of him having a real good time in the VIP last night.
What?
Like,
Boy,
he said, this is what
anytime.
you've been missing out on.
If
There
you
was
chill with,
seriously
hey man,
12 or 13
damn,
women, bro, at least.
that Omar
And
be
one
having.
other dude and him, and it was just a madhouse in there. It looked.
Damn, I should have thought about going there, fool.
I know, he keeps inviting me out.
I'd have been over there every time. Like if I just go up there, he there.
Yep,
He
really.
gonna show you a good time, yeah. Buy you drinks and shit. Try to put you on his level. He gonna have this shit strong.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Yeah. Look out. Let me see. Look out. Limpy.
Is that an echo watching this and look out on the YouTube? Hell yeah, dude. Love the support, man. Y'all go support Lookout Racing on YouTube right now. If you haven't already. You get a good laugh while you're watching the show tonight. I can grow that hair out, bro. Look at that mullet. That is that no
Oh yeah.
I wish
Oh, there go my boy, man.